Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today's video is going to be quite interesting. As you all might have already read the title, it's an outfit from scratch. So this is not the first time I'm making an outfit from scratch. I have done this for as long as I remember. Even when I was little, my mom used to buy the fabric or use her old saris and get us customized outfits for either a cousin's wedding or some festivities like for Diwali. So this is something I've been doing since childhood. My Indian collection, I mainly get them customized because I am very picky about the designs and the material they use. B, if I'm getting it customized, I can get it exactly how I want. And yeah, so today we are getting a custom outfit made for my friend's reception. So my friend is literally getting married next week, that is Wednesday. She's getting married on Wednesday, and her reception is on Thursday. So that is what I'm making this outfit for her reception. We only have a week to get this done. Now all the preps are done. I have the fabric with me. I have the design with me, which I'll be showing you in a while. We just have to give it to the tailor and keep our fingers crossed that my tailor won't f this up and make it exactly how I wanted. Now I wanted to film the entire process of me selecting the outfit and the different options I go through, but honestly I'm not really comfortable vlogging in public still, so that was one of the reasons I didn't. And secondly, I had a very clear vision what kind of fabric I wanted. It happened in a very quick thing because, as I said, I didn't have much time. Like आधे घंटे में I picked the fabric. So that is the pros of having a vision to what you want. आधे घंटे में काम हो जाता है. You don't have to go here and there in search of fabrics and what to use, what not to use, because you know exactly what you want. Okay, so before I show you the fabric, let me quickly show you the design. Now this was inspired from one of the outfits Kiara Advani wore. Now I'm just looking it up on my phone here. I hope you can see. I'll pop the picture on screen as well, somewhere over here. Now this is a gharara set. It is a very basic kurta gharara set, but her back is what grabbed my attention. It is a very nice, sexy back, yet it is very sophisticated. It's not very revealing in the sense. Even though back is open and back has all the drama and show, the front and the bottom, it's very simple and very classic in that way. So now that we are sorted with the design, I'll quickly show you the outfit. So okay, so color I'm going with is black. It's a full black ensemble, and the gharara, that is like the bottom, will be made in this very lightweight flowy georgette fabric. It's a basic georgette fabric, no magajmari, nothing. So I have around 3.5 meters of this. For the dupatta that I'll be going along is this fabric. The entire ensemble is on georgette, by the way. It's just lightweight, flowy, and at the same time very classic outfit. This is again a georgette fabric, but ispe you can see there are gold tikis, sequins. So this is not embroidered or printed. This is, I forgot the name, my mom did mention it, I forgot the name. So this is basically a metallic foil that has been pressed into the fabric with hand. So this is in a way hand worked. This thing, if you can see the close-up over here, so the entire fabric has that tiki all over it. So this will be my dupatta. For dupatta I got 2 meters. And for the star of the entire outfit, I feel, because I saw this lying on the shelf and I fell in love. So that is how I selected this fabric. So this is again in georgette, but it has this chicken kind of, I don't think it's original chicken but it's kind of chicken self embroidery, and it also has sequins here and there. Because it's in self embroidery, it's not very chatak and bhadak, so it simplifies the look, thoda mellow down kar deta hai. And then at the same time it has sequins, tiny sequences here and there, so wo thoda rich look, thoda wedding appropriate look bhi deta hai. So that is why I opted for this. You can see how pretty and how, I don't know, I just love this fabric. So the entire outfit is very simple except the kurti. Okay, now the fun story about this outfit is that I have never in my life wore a gharara or even owned a gharara. just simply because I have thick thighs, and I've always felt that it is going to focus on my thick thighs, etc., etc. But I've seen all these pictures on Instagram and stuff where, you know, there is this beautiful gharara, and the way they style it, the way they dress it, obviously it's a beautiful clothing piece. So I just wanted to try it once, and I don't know, for whatever reason I have this confidence in me right now to wear it. Let's see how I like it. Hopefully it will turn out good and I will like it. So here we are looking at lace options. When I went to my tailor with the fabric, he suggested for me to get some kind of lace, so it will give a nice finished touch. Now I wanted something very minimal and intricate, so these are the options I'm looking at, and this final one is what I'll be picking up. So guys, I have received the outfit and it's bad. It's really bad. Let me show you real quick. Okay. So first of all, this is, I don't know if you guys can see, this is very loose. This is, matlab, what is this? I don't understand this. This is bad. That being said, this is a gharara, right? The photo I showed you guys. I don't know how to show you guys because I can't even lift my leg. The gharara ka jo niche bottom hota hai, like the gharara, it's extremely short on me. Not extremely, but itna to definitely short hai. It's too tight around my thighs. I can't even lift them entirely. I don't think I'll be able to sit. Hold on. Yeah. I can't sit. ऐसा लग रहा है अभी फट जाएगा वहाँ से. Tomorrow he's closed. ये padding है इसमें, right? The padding is a little too high. Everything is a mess. Let's see. Tomorrow he's closed. I'll try calling him, but I don't think कल कुछ हो पाएगा. Tuesday only we'll have to see what can be done. Okay, bye. Hey guys, hello. Forgive my mess. I am not presentable at all. I'm aware of it. Today is Monday. The tailor I got my outfit stitched from is supposed to be closed today. I called him around 10-11 ke aaspas, and thankfully he was working. His shop was closed, but he was there, he was working. So luckily I could go to him and give my outfit, and I wanted to be very angry, but I was being nice, I was being polite. Outfit मैं देके आ गई हूँ. Now fingers crossed, जो भी changes बोला है, everything I mentioned in the previous clip, hopefully sort हो जाए. I honestly don't know what to do at this point because reception is day after tomorrow evening, and I don't have anything to wear yet. So he has said कि कल शाम तक मिल जाएगा around 3-4 he did say, but मैं 5 पकड़ के चल रही हूँ. So hopefully वो आने के बाद वो बराबर fit होगा. In case वो बराबर fit नहीं हुआ तो you will see a clip where I am complaining and cribbing about it again. But अगर fit हुआ तो hopefully you will see the final outfit with me all dressed up, finally going to the reception. Almost सब sort हो जाना चाहिए, except that the gharara didn't have as much volume. He said with the fabric that I had gotten, this was the best that can be done. I mean, he should be the one suggesting कि इतने कपड़े से इतना घेरा नहीं आएगा, but ठीक है, it's okay. Now we are not ruining our mood. Luckily the kurti that I have gotten stitched na is such कि उसके नीचे में घरारा के अलावा if I get a lehenga or something, a voluminous skirt or lehenga or something done, so I can still wear it in the future, because I am honestly not sure if I'll be wearing that gharara again after the reception. Though I like it, okay, I like the way it's looking, except for the volume, okay. Apart from that, I like the way it's looking. So yeah, fingers crossed ki I get my outfit on time and wearable and nicely wearable the way I had imagined. Hopefully, jo chances come hai, but at this point I cannot complain much. Oh yeah, I did not show you guys the mehndi right yesterday properly. So this is the mehndi. It says DNS. Okay, so I did not go for very traditional kind of mehndi. You know, cousins and घर की शादी में तो anyways वो traditional मेहंदी करते हैं. This was, I wanted to do something contemporary and minimalist, and मुझे palm में ही करना था. So this is what I have gotten on one hand. It says D and S. It's bride is D and S is the groom. And पीछे ऐसे किया है. This is the other hand. तो यहाँ पे hashtag नहीं करवाया. I made a flower. And this is the back. and I will see you guys in the next clip.